In the newsroom, tell us more about it. Julia, good morning.
Good morning, Scott. Even though it's not raining anymore and you might not be expecting any additional flooding, river levels are going to continue going up today. We're dealing with something right now called the downstream effect. It may feel warmer, but the ground temperature is still low. Most of the ground is frozen and not absorbing much water. So rain from the past few days that fell north of here is now trickling into creeks and rivers. We warned you about going kayaking or boating when it was raining heavily, but today it could be even more dangerous. Take a look now at this fast-moving current here. The fire department tweeted this video of the White River. It was shot near Westfield Boulevard, just north of Broad Ripple Park. IFD called it a drowning machine.
Adventure people like to get out there on the water when it's active like that, but in Indianapolis, those waterways aren't conducive to that type of force because of all the strainers and all the downstream hazards.
In some places, the current doesn't appear on the top of the water, but underneath of the water, it's fast moving.
Fire department officials we talked to who have led numerous water rescues say recreational activities on the water are best when the current is moving at less than 3 knots. Right now, the White River is moving at more than 13 knots and over 15 in some areas. Back to you.
Julia Deng, thank you. Things to think about even with